In this video, I will show you how you can connect or set up your AirPods 4 with your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that your AirPods are fully charged. If they're low on charge, just plug your AirPods into charge for a couple of minutes, and after you charge your AirPods, then just open the lid of your AirPods case and a pop-up should appear on the screen of your iPhone. If this pop-up did not appear on the screen of your iPhone, then just close the lid of your AirPods case and wait for this LED to turn off. And after that, just open the lid of your AirPods case, then double tap on this LED over here. And once this LED starts blinking white, it will enter into pairing mode. And after you do that, this pop-up should appear on the screen of your iPhone. And once it appears, then just tap on connect and you will pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Now let's say if this pop-up does not appear on your iPhone. So in that case, just go to settings and under settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just ensure that the toggle for Bluetooth is turned on. And if it is already on, just turn it off, then wait for a couple of seconds and turn it back on. After you do that, then just open the lid of your AirPods case and enter it into pairing mode. And once it enters into pairing mode, you'll see the name of your AirPods under other devices. Now just tap on it, and after you do that, you'll connect your AirPods with your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.